to the daily game. Daily puzzle pala, June 9. Puzzle. Oh, how many butterflies? 1, 2, 3. Oh, ano ba yan? R-E-V. Oh, sige na nga. River. Ah, hindi. Eve na nga lang. Oh, no. Ay, ear. Alright. Fire. Wine. May mahaba na. Oh, hindi ba yung mahaba? Okay, let's go. Reverie. Ay, baliktad. Reverie. Hi, Dylan. Sabi ni Mami Snow. Revere. Okay. Ano pa? Deer. Butterfly. Ever. Ay, hindi pala. Tapos na yun. What else? Eerie. Yes. Ear. Okay. Thank you, Mama Snow. And tama ba? May ganon? O wala? R. May ganito ba? River. Nakalimutan ko yung river, yes.